I'm going to share some tips for buying a second-hand car, covering everything from setting a budget to inspecting the car to negotiating the price. Set a budget. The first step is to set a budget. This will help you narrow down your choices and avoid overspending. Be sure to factor in the cost of insurance, registration, gas, maintenance, and repairs when setting your budget. Do your research. Once you have a budget, it's time to start doing your research. This means learning about different makes and models of cars, their reliability ratings, and their common problems. You can find this information online, in car magazines, and from consumer reports organizations. Consider your needs and wants. What are your needs and wants in a second-hand car? Do you need a lot of cargo space? Do you want a fuel-efficient car? Do you need a car that can seat a lot of people? Once you know what you need and want, you can start to narrow down your choices. Shop around. Once you have a budget and know what you're looking for, it's time to start shopping around. Be sure to compare prices from different dealerships and private sellers. You should also get a vehicle history report on any car you're interested in. This report will tell you if the car has been in any accidents or has any other problems. Inspect the car before you buy a second-hand car. It's important to have it inspected by a mechanic. This will help you identify any potential problems with the car and get an estimate for any repairs that need to be done. Negotiate the price. Once you've found a second-hand car you want to buy, it's time to negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to haggle with the seller. You may be able to get a better price if you're willing to walk away from the deal. Get everything in writing. Once you've agreed on a price, it's important to get everything in writing. This includes the purchase price, the terms of the sale, and any warranties that are being offered. Additional tips: consider buying a certified pre-owned (CPO) car. CPO cars are used cars that have been inspected and certified by the dealership. They often come with extended warranties and other benefits. Be wary of cars that are priced too low. If a car seems like it's too good to be true, it probably is. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Ask the seller about the car's maintenance history, any accidents it's been in, and any repairs that need to be done. Trust your gut. If you feel uneasy about a car, don't buy it. Conclusion: buying a second-hand car can be a great way to save money, but it's important to be prepared. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of buying a second-hand car that will last for years to come. Bonus tips: here are some additional tips that you may find helpful. Look for signs of wear and tear. This includes things like faded paint, chipped glass, and worn tires. Check the car's fluids. Make sure the oil, coolant, and transmission fluid are all at the correct levels. Test the car's features. Make sure all of the lights, windows, and locks work properly. Take the car for a test drive. Pay attention to how the car handles and listen for any unusual noises. When negotiating the price, be prepared to walk away. This will show the seller that you're serious about getting a good deal. Once you've bought the car, be sure to get it serviced regularly. This will help to keep it in good condition and extend its lifespan. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about buying a second-hand car, please leave them in the comments below.